Hey guys, welcome to Haystack. Today we are going to solve another NeetCode 250 problem. This is the fifth problem and today we are going to solve longest common prefix problem. This is an easy problem. Let's try to understand the problem first and let's dive into the solution afterwards. We should write a function or let's say a code to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. So we are given an array of strings and we should find the longest common prefix, and if there is no common prefix we should return an empty string. So let's try to understand with an example. String array in which we have three strings with flower, flow and flight. So what does longest common prefix means is, so first let's understand the word prefix. Prefix means which comes before, it comes before the word, and in the whole array we should find the longest common prefix. For suppose if we have here we have flower, flow and flight. Here first character, here all the three characters are same. We have F, F, F here. So we'll append the string with F, and let's go to another string. We have L, L and L here, and we should add L also into the output string. And next we have O here, we have O here, but we don't have O here. So this is not a common prefix. It is a prefix, but it is not common. So the common thing should be in all the elements of the array. Okay, let's try to understand with another example here. See, we have here a string of arrays with strings dog, race car and car. Here we have the first character in all the three elements of the array, D, R and C. We should not return anything. We don't have any longest common prefix. We don't have any prefix here. So we'll return an empty string here. Let's try to write a code for this problem. So first we should return an empty string if there is no common prefix, and the condition is if the array is empty or if it is null. Okay, so this is our whole code. First let us try to understand step by step what have we written. So this line determines that or says that if our array of strings is empty or null, we should return an empty string, as this is a one constraint in our problem. And we should create a string builder, because obviously we are going to store the longest common prefix in a string, and we cannot as strings are immutable, we are going to use a string builder to build a string. Now we are going to sort the array so that we can find the longest common prefix between the first element of the array of strings and the last element of the array of strings, because if first and last elements have the same letters, there is the obvious thing that as the array is in a sorted manner, all the middle elements are also going to have the same longest common prefix. So we are going to use this approach. See, here we are creating two character arrays, which one ch1 contains of the first element of the string array. strs of 0 is flower, as this is the first element in the array of strings, and our last element is flight. Okay, after the array sorted we'll get this. And now when we have our two character arrays, we are going to compare each and every character in the array. Okay, for that we are using a for loop which is iterating through the whole first string, which is the character array, and it is checking if first character or any character in both the strings are same or not. If at any point or in any iteration ch1 of I is not equal to ch2 of I, in case FLO, and here O and I are not equal, so we are going to break the loop there, and we are going to append till there only. So here we have in our string builder F and L. Now we should return the string, right? As string builder is we cannot return it directly. We are going to use the toString method to return our string. Now let's try to run this code. Okay, we have completed the code and submitted it. This is the whole problem. Thank you guys.